boys and girls, it's Miss Smith. Today I'm going to read with you the Scholastic News article, and this is Happy Veterans Day. A veteran is someone who worked in the armed forces. Veterans are brave. What did these brave people do? Hooray for brave veterans. As you read, imagine what it would be like to do each thing. Brave veterans worked hard. Veterans had to train. They worked hard. They made their bodies strong. Some veterans had to do hundreds of push-ups. Can you imagine doing that many push-ups? Brave veterans had to work far from home. Some veterans had to go far away to do their jobs. They missed their families. This was hard. They talked to them on the phone or computer. Can you imagine working far from home? Brave veterans learned new things. Some veterans learned how to jump out of helicopters. That's a scary thing to do, but veterans are courageous. Can you imagine jumping out of a helicopter? Thank you, brave dogs. Dogs can be veterans too. They helped people in the armed forces. Can you finish this rhyme? We thank these dogs for help they gave. We thank these dogs for being... What goes in the blank? It rhymes with gave. Some veterans, dogs, helped on helicopters. Helicopter diagram. Some veterans and dogs worked on helicopters. Look at the diagram of the helicopter below. Use it to answer the questions. Here are the blades. The blades spin around. They help lift it into the air. The cockpit is in front. The pilot sits here. Wheels help it move above on the ground. It's the wheels. Number 1. The blank is where the pilot sits. Where on the diagram does the pilot sit? Remember, the pilot operates the helicopter. The blank helped lift the helicopter into the air. What helps lift the helicopter up into the air? The blank helped the helicopter move around on the ground. Which helps the helicopter move on the ground? You can answer these on Seesaw. Read it as many times as you'd like.